Survive outdoors longer allows you to explore with the security of knowing you have the best survival tools, kits, and shelters to keep you alive and help you be found. The Phoenix is a cleverly designed, multi-purpose survival tool that packs 8 survival features into the shape, size, and weight of a pocket knife. Start a fire, light your way around camp, cut up your meal, or use the 3 to 7 millimeter wrench and flathead screwdriver to fix gear. Throw it in your day pack, and you'll know you have what you need when the unexpected happens. The Phoenix tool includes everything you need to start a fire, including waterproof tinder, a ferrule rod, and striker. Use the back of the knife as a striker to create a shower of sparks to ignite the tinder. The tinder will burn for up to 3 minutes even when wet. The multi-tool fixed blade knife can not only be used to start a fire, but you can also cut kindling and rope or fillet your fish with the drop point blade with serrated edge. Use the size 3 to 7 millimeter wrench to repair your gear. The flathead screwdriver can be used to open the battery compartment on the tool. Use the LED light to light your way around camp, or clip the tool to your hat to use it as a headlamp. Press the light button once for high beam, once more for low beam, or a third time to start the light flashing for an emergency signal. Batteries can be replaced with size 3-volt batteries available at most hardware stores. Signal your location to friends or rescuers with the built-in 100 decibels whistle. Add some peace of mind to your next adventure by putting this 7-ounce multifunctional tool in your day pack for that unexpected emergency. This multi-use fire starting tool can be the difference between a nice night around the fire or a cold evening in a dire situation.